Hello dear students, I'd like to welcome you to this session on EG Learning English. Before we begin, let's have a quick look at this picture. What could that be? Is it a flower? No, I don't think so. Is it an animal? No, can't be. I know. It's an orange. So, hang on, what did we just say? Is it a flower? Or is it an animal? No, it's an orange. So we used a or an. Now how does that work? Can you remember? You probably remember that this is the indefinite article, a or an. And there was something with consonants and vowels. Do you remember? We used the general rule that we use an before a vowel. The vowels being A, E, I, O, and U. You might remember the German term for this. The other ones are consonants. Now let's just quickly recap. If you can still remember what vowels are and what consonants are. Can you put these 6 words into the right column? Pause the video for a moment and write the words into the right part of the table. Here is the answer. I'm sure you got it right. The words that begin with a vowel are apple, elephant, and easy. The words that start with a consonant are car, magic, and difficult. So we can start off by saying, right, the word car must go in here. It's a car. The word boy will go here as well. A boy. Same as a girl. But with animal, we will use an animal. If you say this, you will probably notice that it's a lot easier to say an animal than to say a animal. Try this out for yourself. The same with orange. An orange. It's much more natural to say an orange than to say a orange. Or we could say an old car. And here you can see it's really about the next word. It would be a car, but here it's an old car. So we look at the next word after the article. Now our next word is kind of a special case. If we look at hour, try it out. Try out saying it. Is it easier to say a hour or an hour? I think you would agree that it sounds better to say an hour. But clearly this is not a vowel. So therefore we can learn from this that we have to be a bit more precise. We should not look at the letters. We have to hear and listen very carefully. We have to hear what the word sounds like. The word hour doesn't start with a consonant sound. It starts with a vowel sound. So now we know we have to be more careful here. And an comes before a vowel sound. This is very important. You have to listen to the word. This is not about the letters. This is about what we can hear. We have to listen carefully. A comes before a consonant sound, an comes before a vowel sound. And this is just a little filler. So let's go back to our table down here. An hour, we will agree, will have to go here. An hour. It starts with a vowel sound. Now what about this one? Honest person. Listen to the word carefully. Honest. All right, so it must be an honest person. Now what about this one? University. Remember, we don't look at the letters. This is a vowel. The letter is a vowel. But listen to the word. University. The first sound that we say is y. And this is a consonant sound. So it must be university. What about unicorn? You know, that animal with one horn on its forehead? Again, the first sound that you hear is y, unicorn. So we'll put it here. Now what about this one? The kind of clothing some of you might like to wear, a onesie. Listen to the word onesie. Again, we hear a consonant sound, w. So it's a onesie. And what about an MP3 player? You've heard it already. MP3 player. It's not MP3 player. The word sounds, sorry, the word starts with a vowel sound. So it's an MP3 player. To finish off, I would like you to do a little exercise. Take out your own workbook and make a little list like that. Your task is to write the word and the article on the right-hand side. So this is the example that's given, car. You should write a car. Okay? You just have to write down these words plus the article. You don't have to write down the left-hand side column. I'm going to read the words to you. You can go back as many times as you like within the video. Let me just try to show you everything here. And you should write down the correct article together with the word. Astronaut, old sweater, university, woman, hour, idea, question, expensive car, MP3 player, friendly unicorn, FBI agent, and easy exercise. With this, I hope it will have become a little bit clearer when to use a or an. See you soon again in our next lesson. Bye!